The Institute for Advanced Manufacturing at the University of Nottingham is an internationally leading research institute that brings together critical mass from a range of science, business and engineering disciplines with a research portfolio of more than 95 million, spanning fundamental and applied research programs. We work closely with industry to deliver the manufacturing technologies of the future and help businesses become more productive, sustainable and globally competitive. Advanced manufacturing is a high priority research area for the University of Nottingham, supported by a recent investment of 24 million in a state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing building, hosting a number of world-leading research centers that make up the Nottingham Institute for Advanced Manufacturing.
The manufacturing metrology team helping industry measure, verify and optimize the quality of advanced products. With expertise spanning from nano to large-scale inspection, we turn complex measurement challenges into clear, actionable insight that drives better manufacturing.
At the Composites Research Group, we help industry develop lighter, stronger and more efficient structures through advanced composite design, modelling and manufacturing. What sets us apart is our ability to unite material science, process simulation and full-scale manufacturing under one roof, transforming complex engineering challenges into practical, high-performance solutions.
With its strong technology focus and expertise, the Precision Manufacturing Centre works with a variety of small and large businesses to deliver high-impact industrial solutions. An ISO 9001 certified facility offering unique design and manufacturing expertise, the centre is internationally renowned for its ability to address complex manufacturing challenges to support businesses from early stage development through to market-ready solutions.
At the Rolls-Royce UTC in manufacturing and on-wing technologies, we develop innovative manufacturing solutions for advanced materials and breakthrough technologies. What sets us apart is the integration of advanced manufacturing, robotics and real-world aircraft insight, enabling in-situ repair and novel manufacturing approaches that are transforming how the aviation sector produces key components and maintains its most critical assets.
The Omnifactory Research Centre is world-leading in developing the science and industrial technologies for the next generation of digitally enabled, smart, flexible and connected factories. Blending scientific knowledge with commercially available hardware and software, we have developed and demonstrated a range of industry-ready architectures, solutions and cyber-physical products, delivering dramatic productivity improvement with significant environmental benefits. Our Omnifactory industrial scale factory is a national smart manufacturing demonstrator and testbed.
At the Centre for Additive Manufacturing, we turn ideas into advanced functional products through world-leading 3D printing research and innovation. Alongside our core fundamental research, we help industry create components that are lighter, smarter and ready for future production. What sets us apart is our ability to engineer materials, processes and multifunctional design together, enabling solutions no conventional manufacturing can deliver. We don't just print parts, we create entirely new manufacturing possibilities.
At Nottingham, we bring together unique capabilities, expertise and facilities, all located under one roof, right here in the Advanced Manufacturing building. When working with industry, we operate to the highest standards of confidentiality, routinely using NDAs, enforcing physical security across our research centres and providing digitally secure environments supported by our Cyber Essentials Plus certification. Most organisations engage with us through private contract R&D, but we also offer a range of partially funded collaboration routes. Other pathways to work with us include academic consultancy, knowledge transfer partnerships and student or graduate placements. Industrial partners typically initiate collaboration by issuing us with a challenge or problem statement. We then work collaboratively to scope the activity, provide a project with a clear quotation and cost, and deliver a tailored outcome-focused solution. We have a strong track record of successful proposal writing, bidding, and delivering projects that generate real industrial impact.